A very good morning, a very good afternoon, and a very good evening to everyone out there. Today we are going to make kheema or minced meat. Now, this minced meat is actually I have minced the meat at home. Okay, I have taken small cubes of meat and washed them thoroughly, and then minced it at home itself. It's very easy to mince. You can just take a cleaver and start hitting on the meat, and that's how actually you mince the meat. We're not going to use a pressure cooker. We're going to use a simple utensil, okay, a steel utensil to cook the meat, right? Let's get on with it. Stay with me. Please like and subscribe to my channel and watch till the end. Welcome back. Right now we will talk about the veggies. Okay, we're going to use small onions. Okay, only 4, 5, 6 of them. 2 potatoes. Okay, this one is just for the sake of it. And if you're using medium onions, please do use 3. If you're using large onions, use 1.5. Okay, the meat, the minced meat which I'm taking is around 1.5 kilos. Okay. So let's move on to the next part, that is the blending. We are going to use some yogurt and all those things to blend, right? So I'll just show you the next part. So right now we are taking around 12 to 14 green chilies. Okay, we will remove the head and the tail as always. Okay, and then slice them into small manageable or half pieces. Okay, and then we're going to add yogurt or curd to the blender. Okay, and these green chilies to the blender. Okay, and ginger garlic paste to the blender, turmeric, red chili powder, just half a teaspoon is more than enough, and some salt, and we blend them together, and then we're going to add that mixture straight to the minced meat, so that the minced meat basically absorbs the flavor and the aroma. As I said earlier, that we'll be blending some of these, not some of these, all of these green chilies, but we won't be cutting because they're already small. So they don't need to be cut into smaller pieces. Okay, just add them to the blender, to the jar, right? And then we're going to add curd or yogurt. This is 1 tablespoon, another tablespoon, 2. Let's just add like 3 of it. Okay, 3 tablespoons of curd. Okay, because the minced meat we're using around 1 kilo, 1.4 kilos. Approximate. Okay, so we're going to add 3 tablespoons of curd, and then we're going to add ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Okay, turmeric just for the taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric you could say. Okay, and then we're going to add red chili powder. Red chili powder is also another, because since we're already using green chilies a lot, so we're not going to add red chili powder a lot. We're going to add like 1 teaspoon. That's enough. Okay, and the main ingredient is salt. Okay, the main ingredient is salt. We're going to add salt according to your taste. According to my taste, sorry. And say like 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to blend this, right? After we blend this, we're going to add lemon juice. We're going to add approximately 4 to 5 lemons. Okay, extract the juice from them and then add it to the blender, to the mix, the spice mix. Okay, to the marination mix you could say. I have taken only 4 lemons. Okay, because 2 were quite big. That's why only 4 lemons, right? Slice them into half. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is extract the juice in another utensil, a bowl, or something like that, or glass. Okay, remove the seeds, and then extract the juice. All right. Oh, this is the blended green chilies, ginger garlic, and everything. Okay, the color turned out really well. Okay, this is the color of turmeric actually, And now we're going to add the lemon water. Four lemons, lemon water added. And now I'm going to add a little more water actually. I'm going to fill the same glass, okay, with like, you know, 1/4 water and add it over here, right? And just add it. Because there is no longer any lemon juice left, right? Now we're going to again blend it. Cut. And the second reason why I added water to the jar is so that, you know, what happens is that sometimes the green chilies do not blend well, right? As you can see, the green chilies have completely disappeared. And now this same mixture, okay, this same spice mix, we could say spice mix, okay, we are going to add it to the meat. Straight away to the meat. The smell is amazing, by the way. It's extremely fragrant. Okay, here's the minced meat. Okay, now I'm going to add this spice mixture to the let it cover completely. Okay. Yep. All right. We're going to put this aside now. Okay. Now I'll show you the next step is actually preparing the potatoes. And now we're going to actually, you know, cut the potatoes. Okay. First and foremost, we're going to actually, you know, slice it from in the middle. Okay. We don't want too small, or we don't want too big slices, right? And then I'm going to just slice this way. That's it. This is the perfect size. Okay. You see? Keep in mind, if the potatoes are bigger than this, right, then you have to cut it in another half, like this. Okay. Another half, and then slice from the middle. I mean, slice first from the middle, and then that's it. The potatoes are sliced. Okay. And now we're going to move on to the next step, that is frying the onion in the stainless steel utensil. The onions have been sliced. Okay. Okay, now this is a stainless steel utensil. I have placed it on high flame. Okay. And now I'm going to add oil to it. Okay. See to it that it is hot enough. Then only add the oil. Okay. And now we're going to add the oil. Okay. I'm going to pour this way only, straight away. Okay. Keep in mind about you can say half a cup or 1 cup. The oil is hot enough. Okay. Raise the flame. Right. Increase the flame. Sorry. And now we add the onions. Okay. We're going to use a wooden spoon, okay, to actually mix the onion around, and we're going to wait for the onions to turn golden brown. As you can see, the onions have turned golden brown, slightly golden brown, and reduce the flame because we don't want the onions to burn. As soon as they start to change color, just reduce the flame, okay. So first and foremost, let's add some turmeric, okay. You might be thinking there's enough turmeric in the minced meat, but trust me, we require turmeric in this also. Okay, and keep the flame on low so that the spices, the chili, the salt, the ginger garlic paste, etc., they don't get burnt. Okay, just half a teaspoon more. You could say 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and another 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, or 1.5. Salt. Let's not forget the main ingredient, that is salt. 1 teaspoon. Another half a teaspoon. Okay. And now we're going to mix all of this together. Okay. And mix them while the flame is on low. Okay. Mix the spices by keeping the flame on low, so that they don't get burnt. Right? Now that's it. This is what it is. It is ready. Okay. The onions have turned nice color. As you can see, if you can see closely, the onions look crispy. Okay. And now we're going to add is the meat. Okay. Okay, we are back now. We're going to use this tong to get a good grip of the utensil. Okay, I'm going to mix the meat in this mixture. Okay, and now after the meat is properly mixed, we increase the flame to full and cook it. Keep on cooking it till it turns, the color of the meat will turn. Let this cook this way, okay, till the water reduces slightly, or you can say half. Okay, let the water reduce half, and then we're going to add the potatoes to it. Okay, as you can see, the meat is slowly getting cooked. So let it cook. Let the water reduce. Okay, and then we're going to add the potatoes, and you might add some more water. Okay, so that it helps in simmering. But right now it's on full flame, it's on high flame. Okay, so it's getting cooked right now, and then afterwards, when it's like the water slightly reduced or half reduced, then we're going to add the potatoes and add like 100 ml more water. Cover the lid and let it cook on low flame for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes. The water has reduced greatly. Okay, approximately I left 15 minutes on high flame, you could say 15 minutes to high flame. Okay, I'm sorry people, the minced meat did not get minced properly. I mean, because I made it at home. Okay, anyhow, but this is still nonetheless awesome. All right, trust me, the flavor, I just tasted the flavor, it is amazing. And now what we're going to do is add the potatoes. All right, we need the help of a tong now, okay, to mix properly the potatoes with the kheema or minced meat. Okay, we are not done yet. Okay, now what I'm going to do, like I said, okay, I'm going to add water. So what I'm going to do is basically take a cup of water, or you can say half a cup. Okay, half a cup, because the potato is going to absorb the water, right? And remember the same utensil which we used to actually marinate the meat, the minced meat. Yeah, the same utensil. Just add water to it. Okay, but there's some spice still left. Okay, clean it out. Okay, and then we're going to add this water. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now, since we have added the potatoes, right? we're going to increase the flame to full, okay, and let the potatoes cook for some time. You can say it's a few seconds also, more than enough, okay, because I don't intend to actually cook the potatoes and the keema both on high flame. Okay, once the water and the everything starts to come to boil, we reduce the flame. As you can see in front of you itself, I'm not editing this video, I'm editing this part. Okay, it is coming to a boil, okay, in front of you itself. So as and when it starts to boil properly, okay, by the way, this is still not boiling, this is like simmer, okay. As soon as it comes to boil, we leave it for a few seconds, okay, maybe a minute. It's come to a boil right now, okay, and now what we do is cover with the lid, which many of you know. If you're watching my video for the first time, you know I never use a proper lid, I use a plate. That's it. Reduce the flame, leave it for half an hour to 45 minutes.
Okay, the keema, the minced meat is ready. I had left it on stove on low flame for around you could say 40 minutes, okay, and it's very well made, okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. The keema was deliciously made. Stay safe. God bless all of you. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.